In this video, I'll explain whether you can link your Steam account to your PSN account and what options you have. Important info. Currently, Steam and PSN PlayStation Network are separate platforms and do not support direct account linking for games or friends. What you can do instead: cross-play games. Some games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, or Rocket League allow cross-play between Steam and PSN players. You'll need to create or link a game-specific account, like an Epic Games account, inside the game. Use same email. For convenience, you can use the same email address for both your Steam and PSN accounts, but this won't link the accounts. Friend lists. You'll manage friends separately on Steam and PSN since they don't sync. Summary. There is no official way to link Steam to PSN directly. Use cross-play supported games and link your in-game accounts when possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more gaming tips.